as I said, it's better to run out of stock, so definitely order the 200 rather than the 1,000, okay? I think the whole logo thing, you know, your factory does not need to be the people that put your product into a box for you. They do not need to be the people that put your logo on your product for you. They don't need to do anything at all to your product other than just deliver to you a blank product. Now, what I'm going to say is kind of naughty, all right? So kind of bear with me and just know it comes from a naughty, hackery kind of space. But think about this and think about it in terms of your own business, okay? If you are able to order 200 units of product from your factory, but the only way you can get those 200 units of product is if the factory leaves its existing logo on it, then what I have done in the past is simply got the product sent to me at home, and then I've printed off my logo and put my logo over the top of it. Now, I have absolutely done that. I've also done, the supplier won't let me buy the product with the amount I want to buy unless it comes in their box. Like, they won't change the box. So what I've done as well is I've had the product delivered to me again, and I've simply put the product into my own box. I've unpacked it and put the product into my own box. Both of those things are A-OK. Amazon will not give a shit if you do those things. That's a technical term. They won't mind if you do those technical things, as long as the product is packaged properly, it looks good, and it's a good quality product for your customer. Amazon won't mind if it's got your logo on it or the factory's logo. Amazon doesn't care. So you can consider those things, and of course there's other even naughtier things you can do, like buying wholesale products and putting your own UPC codes onto the product so that you, instead of wholesaling it, or indeed private labeling it. But I would never, every time, suggest that you do something like that, because that would be very, very naughty. So there's a lot of different things you can do. Don't be constrained in your thinking about what your factory wants you to do. Screw what they want you to do. What's best for you and your business, that's the thing to do. So, Anna, I hope that helps to give you a different understanding of what's okay for you and for your business. The factory is going to have one thing that they want, because of course what they're doing is they're looking after themselves, as they should do. And you've got a different set of criteria that you're sorting by, and different things that you need for your business, as you should do too. So there's always a way to meet in the middle, and sometimes you just have to do a little bit of extra work to get the things that you want done. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.